Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. Today we took inspiration from the 2022 Pantone Shade of the Year and we are going to create this beautiful ombre purple eye look. So without any further delay, let's just get started. That's it for the video guys. Do try this look and let us know what you think about it in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, I have a little surprise for you. All you need to do is join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!